Questing bots are good for the game of DeFi Kingdoms. Here's why. I was manually questing for months and had accumulated really big bull in the game, believing in the game. The team, the project just did a video on that, on why, as to why the DeFi Kingdoms team is one of the best teams in all of crypto, why the project is one of the best projects, I believe, in all of crypto. So I was questing 300, 400, 500, 600 heroes manually, licking my wounds in my bedroom after I had just sold my businesses, kind of retired, and then lost all my money essentially in the Terra Luna ecosystem, Anchor Protocol, the Harmony hack and the DeFi Kingdoms FUD, Phantom, blockchain, disaster, different things, and Voyager have just destroyed me. So as a coping mechanism, I was just not wanting to talk to anybody on Earth after what I had just been through, and all the people that I even helped lead into those projects that also got hurt, and questing away. Competing for the contest is awesome, but I knew that that's unsustainable. There's no way I could continue doing that. Then I got bots. These beautiful, amazing, sexy bots just rocking the house over here. I've got 4 of them going. I've got 5 different accounts. I own 6 of these bots. I did a video on it yesterday. When I got the bots, I was so blown away. It was like being in heaven. I bought more heroes. And one of the people that helped lead me to the bots was Vilvi. She's the largest hero holder in the world, owns over 3,000 heroes in this game. The bots have only helped her to purchase more. We wouldn't be buying this many heroes. And the several other people using the bots just have tons of heroes. That's what it does. It causes the floor, the value of heroes to rise, because now there's more scarcity of heroes in the tavern. Now, there's people that don't like it. I get it. I felt like I was competing for the contest all the time, and it was like, man, I'm competing against bots. That's not fair. This is just a basic, simple questing bot. The other stuff that Frisky Fox talked about and Dreamer in the AMA about bots and PvP and all this other stuff, like bots, I don't mind the team stepping in against bots at times, like for the contest raffles, but it's fine. It's whatever. I can tell you this, the questing bots have been awesome, a blessing. There's people that want to get them out of the ecosystem. And here's what would happen if bots were removed. Take a guess. Think about it for a second, guys. For one, I'm talking about questing bots. When people get in the game, they get tired of manually questing for months. What did the Inner Grove call it? Questing fatigue. So that's not good. People then get tired of it and want to leave it. They want to get out of the game and sell their heroes and sell their items. Or they just have some heroes they're questing and they're just selling they're not that into the game. When I got the bots, when people get the bots, it causes you to get more into the game, more dedicated to the game. Vilvi, do bots devalue the tokens? Frisky Fox mentioned that, and I suppose maybe, but I can tell you this, if I remember right, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost sure that Vilvi told me she's not selling anything. I'm not. I sell stuff, but I keep all the money in the ecosystem. I sell it for Jewel, or I sell it for something else, or this and that. If we remove these bots, I would be forced. I would, first of all, freak out because there's going to be so much massive selling pressure in the tavern. The value of the heroes will crash so hard, which will also crash the value of Jewel so hard. We would see such a massive, destructive crash to this game. It could even end RIP the game, possibly. I think the game would still survive, but it would be such a devastating blow to the game if we remove bots, because all the big hero holders, the whales, which there's a lot of them, would be forced to sell these a plethora of heroes that we have. So think about that for a second. When you get the bots, it causes you to get more into the game and actually utilize and level up the heroes properly using crystals. So I'm buying crystals all the time. And that just, all of that helps the ecosystem of the game when people are wholehearted into the game. The bots help that. For questing, bots are good for DeFi Kingdoms. I did a video yesterday. We all can have them. Bots are available to all. We got Difky in the house, shout out. We've got Waifu. This is the one that I use that I love. And there's another one that I've heard quite a bit about. There's different bots out there. Anybody can get bots. They're cheap. I did a video on it. Bots for all, baby. And it will be a life changer. If I only owned 10 heroes, I would still buy a bot to auto quest them. When you're sleeping, those bad boys are questing away. And it's heaven. And so that way, now's the time to be buying the heroes and leveling them up and accumulating things like all the items and pets and preparing for the up and coming PvP. It's going to be amazing. So now's your chance. You invest now in this game, and if this game pulls through, it's going to have so much massive upside, it's unbelievable. The bots will help that. So if you ask me, we need to do away with this anti-botting mentality. From the community is what drives the devs to be careful about how they talk about it and kind of be against it. I don't think the devs are actually against it, but they're just trying to be sensitive to the community, to the guy that holds 5 heroes on there bitching about whales with bots. Well, anybody can be a whale now. The heroes are cheap. Go buy heroes, go buy a bot, and get involved in the game. Don't just get on the Discord and bitch about people botting. That's my 2 cents. Like, subscribe, bell button. I've got lots of videos going on all things alpha, DeFi Kingdoms. Also, I'm going to have a beginner's guide that'll come because I did get a request. A to Z, baby steps, holding your hand, long, extensive, thorough videos on ABCs of this game, from getting a MetaMask wallet, FTX or Crypto.com account or Binance or whatever, getting MetaMask wallet set up, getting going on this game. I'm going to do it. There's other tools out there for that too. The main focus of the channel though is for advanced tips and tricks, alpha tips and tricks, all things DeFi Kingdoms. Love you. Crypto Grady out.